Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to restore a WordPress website with wp-twin, which is a robust and easy to use PHP script, and you can check my wp-twin review to learn more. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to back up a WordPress website using wp-twin, so I'm going to use a previous backup to deploy it on another domain. So this is the domain name. As you can see, I've done a fresh WordPress install. It has the default 2019 WordPress theme and no other content. As you can see, it has a default Hello World page. This is the website that I'll be deploying. There are 10 pages and 3 blog posts on this website. It has the Elementor Hello theme and also a whole bunch of WordPress plugins, as you can see. So the first thing we need to do is access this new website via an FTP client. I use FileZilla, and I've created a couple of tutorials on how to download, install, and use FileZilla. So here I'm logged into my WordPress website via FileZilla. The first thing we need to do is copy the wptwindeploy.php script file from your computer to the root public HTML folder of the website, and you can just drag and drop it. Next, you also need to copy the backup clone file from your computer to the root public HTML folder of your website. Again, you can just drag and drop it. So this is the domain of the WordPress website where we're going to deploy the backup. You need to add /wptwindeploy.php at the end of your domain. You'll be redirected to this wp-twin cloning page. You may be prompted to confirm your registration by entering your purchase email address. You'll also need to log into your WordPress account as an administrator. I would recommend using Google Chrome as your browser. You'll then be redirected to this page. In step 1, you check these boxes in order to delete the 2 files. It is recommended that you check these 2 boxes for security reasons. In step 2, you choose the backup or clone file. And finally, in step 3, you click the Deploy Clone button. You will then be redirected to a page similar to this one. You can then click on the Click Here to View link. And as you can see, this is a clone website on the new domain. It deploys pretty much everything. One thing you'll have to change in Settings, under General, is the title and tagline of your website. Also, under Users, another important note is that the username and login credentials of your website will be the same as the ones of the cloned website, so you may need to change this. In my case, I had already set up myself and my client, so I didn't have to make any changes. If I go to the Pages section, you will see that it has imported all the 10 pages, as well as the 3 blog posts, the Elementor Hello theme, as well as all the plugins. If I go back to the dashboard, you'll notice this message. This is because I used the Elementor Pro Page Builder plugin, so I will need to reactivate it. But that's pretty much it. If you don't yet have wp-twin, I would highly recommend it. You can check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.